Hey, I'm Bob Ward, a Principal Architect from the SQL Engineering team. Here having fun at HPE Discover June 2018. Here to show you a fun little demo about a new feature in SQL 17 called automatic tuning. And it's really out there to help you in these situations where you have severe performance problems but you don't know what to do about it. So with automatic tuning by default, when query store is enabled in 17, we can pinpoint and give you quick recommendations on how to fix query plan regression problems. And then if you want to turn on the automatic tuning feature itself, we can automatically correct those for you, saving you tons of time in outage situations. You can see in this chart right here from the popular cross-platform tool, open source tool called SQL Operations Studio, I'm showing you a chart measuring batch requests per second, and you can see in the workload example here how performance has degraded, but because of automatic tuning turned on, performance went right back up to levels as it was before. What a really neat feature in SQL 17 for you to check out called automatic tuning. Could save you lots of time. Use SQL Operations Studio to kind of chart out and see how it works. Look for my demos on my GitHub repo called Bob SQL.